Hi, I'm Shrinya and welcome to Purple Seashells. Today I will be doing an experiment from yummy M&Ms to amazing artwork. You'll need M&Ms or Skittles, some water, and a plate. So let's take our M&Ms or Skittles, I'm using M&Ms, and put it around our plate. I wonder how it looks like under the M&Ms. I hope you try this colorful experiment. Bye! Thank you! Please subscribe to Purple Seashells.